Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. And in this video, I want to show you and tell you how to find the publications under which you have comments in Instagram. That is, those publications that you commented. How to do it? Very simple. You go to Instagram, click on the icon of your profile, and here you click on the 3 bars. Then you click on the button, your activity. Here we find the item, interactions, and click comments. And now we can see all the posts that we've ever commented on Instagram, so that's a very simple way. It all works. This method is relevant in 2024. Done. The method is relevant in 2024. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye. Thank you.